Okay, in question number 5, they're asking us to simplify this expression. M to the power of 5 times m to the power of 2 divided by m to the power of 4. So I'm going to write it as a fraction first. M to the power of 5 times m to the power of 2 divided by m to the power of 4. Remember, we had to multiply something like x times x, and we would have to leave the same base, and we added the exponents. We've been doing it. This is like the third time we're doing this. We're doing this in the quiz, right? So 1 plus 1, 2. We add the exponents. In this case, I don't have x, but I have m. M to the power of 5 is multiplying m to the power of 2 on top. So what I can do is to leave only one m and add 5 plus 2. So here I can write it as 5m to the power of 7, which is 5 plus 2, divided by m to the power of 4. You see? Now, wait a second. How can we simplify this then? Remember how we said that if there was a power in the bottom, and we wanted to take it up, it had to change the sign? We're going to do the same thing here. I'm going to say this is m to the power of 7 times m to the power of minus 4. One more time. M to the power of 5 times m to the power of 2 over m to the power of 4. So on top, you have them. You're multiplying them. So you leave only one m and you add the numbers. In the denominator, you stay with the number 4 on top, okay? So for you to solve this, you leave only one m and you subtract. You change the sign of what is below. So it would become negative now. And it's m to the power of 3. And that's how you solve this exercise. Then they're saying, hence, solve. What they're doing there is just changing the base. What is the base? This. M is the base, m is the base, m is the base. 2 is the base, 2 is the base, 2 is the base. Since you know that you have 2 to the power of 5 times 2 to the power of 2 over 2 to the power of 4 is the same as this. I'm just changing the letter for the number. M is being replaced by that number 2. So you leave 2 to the power of 7 on top because you leave one number 2 and you add the exponents 5 and 2. And in the bottom you have 2 to the power of 4. So you have only one number, one base, and you say 7 minus 4 because you change the positive. It has a positive in front. You don't see it, but it's positive. You take it up, it becomes negative. So you say 2 to the power of 3. What is 2 to the power of 3? I'm going to repeat that number 2 as many times as my power is saying. So how do we solve this? 2 times 2 is 4, and then I have another number 2 pending there. So 4 times 2 is 8, and that's the final answer for question number 5.